9 most beautiful but strange flowers. Flowers with their bright colors and unique shapes are a wonder of nature. They make the world a beautiful place. Be it the much-known rose or the lesser-known orchids, flowers are always mesmerizing. Let us look at some of the most beautiful and strange flowers that adorn the world around us. Number 1. Bleeding Heart. The flower, especially in the bud form of the Lampropapnos, a flowering plant of the poppy family, oddly resembles the conventional shape of the heart with a droplet beneath. That is why it has been given the name a bleeding heart. The outer petals are bright fuchsia in color. As the flower blooms further and the outer petals open up, the inner white parts are called the lady in a bath, become more visible. This plant is found in Siberia, northern China, Korea, and Japan. Number 2. Parrot Flower. The Impatiens sidacina is an amazing plant of the balsam family. The flowers are purple and carmine red in color. When viewed from the sides, the flowers seemingly resemble a parrot in flight. British botanist and explorer Sir Joseph Dalton Hooker first noted in a scientific description of the plant in 1901 how its bloom looks like a flying cockatoo, and from then on, the name has stuck. Number 3. Ballerina Orchid. These small plants are terrestrial spider orchids that grow singly or in groups in different parts across the island of Australia. The flowers are essentially cream in color with maroon markings, and their petals and sepals have dark trichromes. Together, the flower looks like a maiden in white tutus, holding a graceful ballet pose. The grazing of rabbits and kangaroos in the regions where they grow to pose a great threat to these orchids. Number 4. Duck Orchid. Calliana is commonly referred to as the duck orchid. This is because the labellum looks just like a flying duck with its wings raised high. The lip in particular looks clearly like the beak of a duck. The flower is reddish-brown in color, and in rare cases it is greenish with dark spots, and a single leaf appears near the base of the stalk. This small terrestrial orchid is found in Australia, from Queensland to South Australia and even Tasmania. Number 5. Snapdragon and its skull. The Antirrhinum, found in the rocky areas of Europe, America, and North Africa, has an interesting flower called the dragon flower or snapdragon. The beautiful flower petals give the impression of the face of a dragon, which, when squeezed, will open and close like the mouth. But once the petals wither and fall off, only the seed pod is left behind, presenting quite a macabre look, because the seed pod looks like a skull. Ancient cultures believed snapdragons to have supernatural powers. Number 6. Naked Man Orchid. The Orchis italica is often referred to as the Italian orchid, owing to its Mediterranean region where it generally grows in large numbers. But more commonly, it is known as the Naked Man Orchid. This is because the amazing flowers of the orchid have petals that look like naked men. The flowers are a combination of bright pink and white in color, and they are all clustered densely. These strangely shaped flowers make the plant quite popular. Number 7. Monkey Orchid. The Dracula simia, or the monkey orchid, is also known as the monkey-like Dracula. This is a rare species of orchids that are found to grow in the cloud forests of the southeastern parts of Ecuador and Peru, and the lip that strongly resembles the face of a monkey, a baboon to be more specific. The flowers bear the fragrance of a ripe orange. Number 8. Hooker's Lips. While many might consider it as an exaggerated description, the Psychotria elata, also called the hooker's lips or kissing lips plant, is absolutely genuine. It exists in the tropical rainforests of Central and Southern Africa. The waxy bract, which is a modified or specialized leaf associated with the flower, is bright red in color and is shaped like the luscious lips of a woman, complete with a well-defined Cupid's bow. The actual star-shaped flowers emerge from the bract's center. Number 9. Swaddled babies. The Anglua uniflora is a beautiful orchid which is commonly known by the name swaddled babies. The plant grows in the Colombian Andes. The most stunning feature of the plant is its flowers, which are large, creamy white, and waxy. Their structure is quite complex, and at a certain stage of opening, they start to look like a baby wrapped in swaddling cloth. Each flower blooms from a single stem from the base of the pseudobulb. So friends, this video was all about how to stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you for watching.